Hey guys, 𝗀𝗯𝗹 here, and today we are going to see how we're going to create a free website with free domain name and free web hosting. After watching this video, you will be able to create a website like this. We will create this website with drag and drop editor. You don't need to know any kind of coding skills to create this kind of website. In this website, you can create your own design and you can add content, you can add pages, you can add media, menu, widgets, so on. Let's see how you're going to create this free website. Alright, to create a free website, I'm going to divide this video into several parts. First of all, let's perform a Google search for local by flywheel. Open this first website. So guys, here you have to download this software. This is a WordPress development tool that allows you to create a local website. First, we will create a local website and then we are going to turn this local website into live website. To download this software, you have to click on download button. You have to choose your platform. Windows, you type your first name, last name, your email and your phone number should be here, and click on get it now and download your application. Once you download and install this application, let's open this application. So guys, this is local by flywheel, and as you can see, I have few local website here. To create a new local website, first of all, you have to click on this plus button. Now select create a new site and click on continue. Type your site name, click continue once again. Type your WordPress username, your password, and type your email if you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Click on add site. It will take you a few seconds to install WordPress and some recommended plugins. Just wait for a few seconds and your WordPress website will be installed on your local PC. Alright, so you can see we have successfully installed WordPress. Now let's go ahead, click on WP admin. It will take you to login page of your WordPress website, which is local website. Let's log in by typing your username and password and click on login. Alright, so you can see this is our WordPress dashboard. Let's dismiss the notice. So now let's move with the next step. In this step, we're gonna look at the essential settings of WordPress. Let's hover your mouse over settings, click on general, and here you have option to change your site title, your tagline, and this is your WordPress address or URL, and this is your site address or URL. It should be the same, and below you have option to select the membership. If you want to allow other user to register on your website, you can check this option, otherwise you can leave it unchecked. Below you have site language, time zone. I'm from India, I'm gonna select my time zone. Below you have date and time format, which is fine for me. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Let's go to the writings tab. Here you can select your default post category page. Right now we don't have any content on this website. This is a blank site and we haven't created any categories yet. I'm going to leave it as it is. You can configure your mail service, login name and password later, but right now I'm going to leave it as it is. Let's go to the readings tab. Here you can select your home page, display your latest post page, okay? Or you can choose a static page. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a blank site. We don't have static page, categories and so on, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's go to the discussion, and here you can select default post settings. You can uncheck these options according to your requirement, or you can check these options. By default, these are the good ones, and you can check this option if you want. User must be registered and logged in to comments. I personally like this option. I'm gonna check this one. Rest of the things are good here. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll down at the very bottom and click on save changes. I'm going to skip the media. Let's go to the permalinks, and this is very important settings of your WordPress website. Here make sure you choose the post name in the common settings and then click on save changes. Let's go to the privacy. Here you can select your privacy policy page. If you don't have privacy policy page, you can create a new one by clicking on the create button. It will take you to create a new page section where you can type the title privacy policy. Below you have option to type your privacy policy content. Once you create your privacy policy page, you can go to this drop down button and select your privacy policy page and click on use this page. Since we already have privacy policy page, we don't have to do anything. However, when you create your website for your business or your company, type your own privacy policy. Okay, if you go to pages, here you can see you have this privacy policy, which is sample privacy policy page. You can edit this, and here you can see this is the sample privacy policy. You can delete entire sample privacy policy and type your own. Let's go ahead, click over here, and let's go to the dashboard. And we are done with the essential settings of WordPress. Let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, we are going to install a theme. If you do not know what is theme, well, theme will allow you to create a different and unique design for your website. To install a theme, let's hover your mouse over appearance and click on themes. Click on add new, and here we are going to install 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 theme. This is the 𝗧𝗯𝗹 theme. If you don't see this theme over here, just search over here. Type 𝗧𝗯𝗹 and this theme will appear. Let's click on that, and now click on install, and then click on activate. Once you activate this theme, now you have to click on get started button, and it will install a plugin which comes with this theme, and this plugin will add the extra functionality to this theme. Let me show you how. Once it's installed and activated, it will take you to this page, and here you have to click on build your website now, and here I'm recommend you to select Elementor. Alright, here I'm gonna create a blog. Let's go to blogger. So you can see these are the premium blog which is paid. So let's go with this blog right here. This is a free blog that you can install. As you can see, this will be the design of your blog. So in the left side, you can upload your logo here. I'm going to click over here, and here I'm going to drag and drop my logo file. Click on select. So here you can see we got a logo. You can increase or decrease your logo width just like it. Then click on continue. You can choose a color pattern. I'm going to go with the default colors. Scroll down, and here you can select the font. I'm happy with these font. Let's go ahead, click on continue, and here you can tell them a bit about yourself if you want. Otherwise you can skip it. Make sure you check these options. I'm going to uncheck this one, share non-sensitive data, and I'm going to click on submit and build my website. It'll take you a few minutes to install required plugins, widgets, form, and dummy content. So I'm gonna speed this video up, and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, so you can see our website has been installed successfully. Now click on view your website. Alright, so you can see we have successfully imported a dummy site. We have exact same design here. Let's close this one. Let's close this one by clicking on exit to dashboard. Now let's hover your mouse over appearance, click on themes. So guys, here make sure you delete the rest of the themes by selecting them and click on delete button. I'm gonna quickly delete all of them. Now you have only one theme. Let's close this one. Let's go to the dashboard. Alright, so now let's move with the next part of this video. In this part, I'm gonna turn this local website into live website. So how I'm gonna do it? Well, first of all, I'm going to export this local website, and then I'm gonna import this local website into different website, and it will be live. And let me show you what I mean by that. Let's move to the next part. Let's turn this website into live website. First of all, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new, and here search for 𝗀𝗋 static and install this plugin, 𝗀𝗋 static. Click on install now, and then click on activate. Once you install it, let's hover your mouse over 𝗀𝗋 static from the left side, and then click on generate. And now click on generate a static file. Now wait for a few seconds. It will generate a static file. So I'm gonna speed this video up, and I'll come back once it's done. Alright, so we have successfully generated a static file. Let's go ahead and click on the download button to download the static file. Alright, so you can see I have downloaded this static file. Let's open a new tab and perform a Google search for Netlify and open the first website. So guys, in this website you will get a free web hosting. Let's go ahead, click on start building for free now, and here you have to sign up. Let's go ahead, click on email, type your email here, your password, and click on sign up. Now you have to verify your email. Let's go to your mailbox. Now open the Netlify mail, click on verify email. Alright, so your email has been verified successfully. Now you have to tell about yourself. I'm using 𝗃𝗃 for personal use. I am a freelancer or hobby developer or other. Let's go with freelancer. My first project will be e-commerce or blog. Select your option, personalize your theme space, name your theme, and then click on setup and continue. And here you can deploy your first project by dragging and dropping the static file over here. Let's open the static file. Now drag and drop this file over here. Now wait for a few minutes. So now you can see your site is deployed. If you click over here, you will see your site. And this is a live site, as you can see. But right now, this is your website URL, which is not look good. Let's make it something simple and unique. Let's come back to 𝗃𝗃. Let's go to site setting. And here, click on change site name and type your site name over here. Click on save. The site name is already taken. Let's type something different. Okay. So now if you go to this link, so now you can see your website URL has changed from this one to this one. Okay. You have no longer to access of this URL if you want to open your website. So now your website will load on this URL. Let's come back to this page. So guys, if you want to update few things on your website, what you have to do, you have to come back to your local site and make changes over here. Whenever you make changes on your local site and you want to update this live site, you have to generate a static file once again if you want to update your live site. Okay, remember, always make changes on your local site and then generate a static file and then upload that static file over here on 𝗃𝗃 and update your live site. So that's the only thing you have to do with this method. Alright, so now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part guys, I'm going to show you how you can customize your website. To do it, let's have your mouse over here, click on visit site. So this is my website homepage, and this homepage is built with the Elementor page builder. If you want to make any changes on this page, simply click on edit with Elementor. It will load Elementor page builder. So guys, here if you want to change this text, simply click on that. It will take you to the editing section from the left side, and here simply highlight the text and start typing your own text. In the same way, you can edit any text you want. Simply select any text and start typing your own text. Okay, in the same way you can edit any section you want. That's simple. If you want to change this image with your own image, you can select the image and come over here and choose your image and go to upload file and drag and drop your own image over here and click on insert media, and that way you can replace this image with your own image. In the same way, you can edit any section guys. If you click over here, you can see this is the inner section. If you select the whole section, you can see we have the editing section here. You can go to the style, you can change the background image, you can change the color if you want. It will take you a few minutes to understand the Elementor page builder. It's pretty straightforward. If you need a full detailed tutorial, just go to the description box of this video and watch my Elementor tutorial where I'll show you each feature of Elementor page builder. That is my ultimate guide of Elementor page builder. For now, just edit any section by selecting the text or selecting any part of the page. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on update. Let's click over here and now click on exit to dashboard. Now click on view page. Hover your mouse over here, click on visit site. So now you can see guys, I've changed this text and as well this one. In the same way, you can change anything from your home page or any page that is built with Elementor page builder. Now let me show you how you can change this menu. Let's go to customize. Let's go to menu, go to primary menu, and here you can see we have the home, which is right here. We have about me, blog, gears, get in touch. You can add more item by clicking on add items button. And here you can add categories. We don't have any category here. You can add post, hello world, pages, simple page, tags, formats. Let's add something like sample page. So as you can see, we added the sample page here. You can create a sub menu. Just simply drag and drop any page below any section you want. This way you can create a drop down menu. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Once you make any changes, click on publish. Let's close this one. So guys, this is how you can customize your WordPress website. So guys, if you want to learn how to customize your website from start to finish, you can check out this video. You'll find the video link in the description box as well. So guys, once you customize your website, once you make any changes on your local website, now let's come back to your dashboard and go to simple statics and go to generate and generate a new static file by clicking on static file button. Now wait for a few minutes, it will generate new static file, and then we are going to import that static file on our live website. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, so you can see we have successfully generated a new static file. Let's download it. So once you download your new static file, let's go to Netlify and now go to deploys, and here drag and drop your new static file. So this is my new static file. Just drag and drop here. Now wait for a few seconds. Let's open this production. Now click on this button, open publish deployed. Our new static file has been uploaded successfully. You can go back to that page. Okay, as you can see, status says published. Now come back to this page. So you can see this is our old version of our website. Now let's refresh the page. So now you can see we have updated our live website as well. And good thing about the Netlify, you will get a SSL certificate as well, so that you don't have to install SSL certificate manually. So this is one of the good thing about the Netlify. They provide you a SSL certificate with free plan. If you go to Netlify and click on upgrade, and here you will see several plans. In the Netlify Pro plan, you will get these options, one team member, and so on and so forth. You can choose these plans according to your requirement, guys. Now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up a custom domain name. Right now, this is the net.netlify.app. If you want a .com domain, you can connect your .com domain as well. But right now in this video, we are going to create a free website. So we need a free domain name. First of all, open a new tab and perform a Google search for Freenom and open this website, freenom.com. So guys, here you have to click on sign in. The time I'm recording this video, Freenom has some kind of technical issues, like you weren't able to log in or you weren't able to register a new domain name. To fix all those problems, I have already created a separate video for you guys. You can check out that video in the description box of this video. Watch that video if you are getting any problem with freenom.com. Right now I'm gonna log in, click on login. Let's go to this drop down button, services, and register a new domain. And type your domain name over here and click on check availability. Wait for a few seconds. Alright, so these are the free domain. If you scroll down, you can see these are the paid one. Since in this video we need a free domain, let's select one of them. I'm gonna click on get it now. I like .ml extension, so I will go with this ML extension. If you're not able to select the extension, let's come to the search bar and type your domain name and then type your extension name .ml. Click check availability. Now wait for a few seconds. So now you can see we have successfully added this domain name into our cart page. Let's go ahead, click on checkout. Now change this time period to 12 months free and then click on continue. Now check this box and click on complete order. Order has been confirmed successfully. Let's go to this drop down menu and then click on my domains. So this is the domain that we just got. Click on manage domain. Now go to this drop down button alongside management tools and then click on name servers. Now select the second option, use a custom name server, and leave this page as it is. We'll come back here and we'll paste the name server of Netlify. Let's go to Netlify and now click on set up a custom domain. Type your domain name over here and then click on verify, and let's see, it says this domain name is already registered. Click on add domain. Once you add this domain, now wait for a few seconds. So guys, here in this page, click on this drop down button alongside option and click on set up Netlify DNS. Click on verify, click on add domain. Now click on continue. So guys, these are the name servers that you have to add on your Freenom website. Let's copy the name servers one by one. Come back here, paste the name server. Let's come back to Netlify. Copy the second one, paste it over here. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once I paste all the name servers. Once you do it, click on change name servers. So name servers has been updated successfully. Let's come back to Netlify. So it may take up to 24 hours to update your name servers. Let's go ahead, click on done. Alright guys, now try to open your website with this domain name and paste your domain name and press enter. And let's see. Alright guys, so you can see we just updated our domain name. If you don't like .ml or this free domain name, you can go with .com domain, .net domain, .in domain, whatever type of extension you want, but it'll cost you some money. So that's why I go with free domain name. Right now, as you can see, we don't have SSL certificate on this domain. If you want SSL certificate on this domain, you can check out this video. You will find the same video link down below of the video description or other useful video tutorials as well. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to create a premium website, you can check out my other video tutorial. You will find those video tutorials down below the video description. If you learned something from today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you next time.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind.